and 6, and a motion to revoke your unadjudicated probation. On probation for the second-degree felony offense of burglary of a habitation, placed on probation. I think the dates in this updated report are, I must be wrong. It says on May 8th, 2025, he met with the high needs officer for the initial visit. Should that be May 2024?
Yes.
Okay, all right, just want to make sure. So, placed on probation back in April of 2024 for that offense. The allegations, failure to report, failure to work, testing positive, that didn't do the theft prevention class, behind in fees, and behind in restitution. There was no...
Right away, this hearing shifts from routine check-in to serious danger territory. Failure to report, positive drug tests, unpaid fees. Individually, these are violations, but stacked together, they paint a picture probation officers and judges often interpret as non-compliance rather than struggle. And that distinction, it can decide freedom or prison.
No agreement, is that correct?
That's correct, yes.
Mr. And I've received an updated pre-sentence report. Has everyone had an opportunity to review that report?
Yes.
Any additions or corrections to that report?
Nothing from the defense, Judge.
I was going to say, other than Ms. Court has anything additional.
Okay.
I would like to hear talk.
Thank you, ma'am. Go ahead, Mr. Lewis.
Judge, this situation, from talking with my client as well as some members of his family, is definitely one that his substance abuse issue is something that he definitely needs to address. He's willing to. He understands that that's, definitely been in his way as far as definitely trying to complete his probation successfully. I would also like to add to that, after speaking with him and with some of his family members, that I don't believe he was on any type of mental health or any type of conditions dealing with his probation.
He was
I know it's
high needs.
Because from talking with him, there's definitely some things he has gone through in his past that I think affect him and are triggers for him. And I believe that, if he's able to get that type of help, to help with that, I think that would definitely help with the substance abuse issue. I believe there are vehicles available through community supervision.
Notice the defense strategy here. They're reframing misconduct as untreated trauma and addiction. This is a classic mitigation approach, arguing the problem isn't defiance, but underlying issues that need treatment. The big question hanging in the courtroom now is the system out of rehabilitation options or just patience.
That can address that. He's more than willing to accept that help. At this point, understands he needs it. I know it looks like the recommendation in the updated PSI from probation is for ISF. It's something that they would recommend. He's more than willing to comply with that and try to work with that as much as possible. If there is anything that's available that has some type of aftercare or anything, he's more than willing to do that as well. Especially, like I was saying, as far as, any treatment he can get as far as that would definitely help with some of the traumatic things he's gone through in his past. I think that would definitely help with the substance abuse issue going forward for him, Judge.
Okay, and the recommendation isn't necessarily ISF. It's if I were to continue, but the recommendation sounds like they've exhausted all efforts that